Hey there, welcome back to eGreen Channel. Let's focus on cauliflower. It's not just a boring white vegetable anymore. It's a true superhero in disguise. Packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, cauliflower is a nutritional powerhouse. This versatile veggie can be enjoyed in countless ways. Roasted, mashed, riced, the possibilities are endless. But today we're diving into the wonderful world of cauliflower wings. These crispy, flavorful bites are about to become your new favorite snack. Get ready to ditch the guilt and embrace the deliciousness of cauliflower wings. Craving chicken wings, but want a healthier option? Cauliflower wings are the answer. These tasty morsels offer the same satisfying crunch without the added calories and fat. Traditional chicken wings are often deep-fried and loaded with unhealthy fats. Cauliflower wings, on the other hand, are baked to crispy perfection. This means you can indulge in a delicious, guilt-free snack that won't leave you feeling sluggish. Light, flavorful, and oh so satisfying cauliflower wings are the perfect alternative. One of the best things about cauliflower wings? Their incredible versatility. Just like their chicken counterparts, cauliflower wings are a blank canvas for flavor. Toss them in tangy buffalo sauce for a classic game day snack. Craving something sweet and spicy? Try a honey sriracha glaze. From barbecue to garlic parmesan, the flavor possibilities are endless. Get creative in the kitchen and discover your new favorite cauliflower wing combination. Ready to try your hand at making these delectable bites? Today, we're diving into a fun and easy recipe that will transform a simple vegetable into a mouth-watering treat. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, this recipe is perfect for you. This easy recipe will have you enjoying crispy cauliflower wings in no time. Let's start by gathering all the ingredients you'll need. Having everything laid out and ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. First, you'll need one large head of cauliflower, cut into florets. Make sure to wash it thoroughly and pat it dry before cutting. The fresher the cauliflower, the better your wings will taste. Next, measure out half a cup of all-purpose flour. If you're gluten-free, don't worry. You can easily substitute this with a gluten-free alternative. The flour will help create a crispy coating on the cauliflower. You'll also need half a cup of unsweetened almond milk or any other plant-based milk of your choice. This will help bind the flour to the cauliflower, giving it that perfect texture. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. This will infuse the cauliflower with a delicious, savory flavor that pairs perfectly with the other ingredients. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of onion powder. It adds a subtle sweetness and depth to the flavor profile of your cauliflower wings. Half a teaspoon of salt is essential to bring out all the flavors. It enhances the taste and makes every bite more enjoyable. A 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper will add a slight kick and balance the flavors. Adjust the amount to your taste if you prefer a spicier or milder version. Finally, choose your favorite sauce for tossing. Whether it's buffalo, barbecue, or a homemade creation, the sauce will be the finishing touch that makes these wings irresistible. Now let's move on to the instructions. 1. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper to prevent sticking and make cleanup easier. 2. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, almond milk, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Make sure the batter is smooth and free of lumps. This will ensure an even coating on the cauliflower. 3. Dip each cauliflower floret into the batter, ensuring it's fully coated. Take your time with this step to make sure every piece is well covered. This will give you that perfect crispy texture. 4. Place the coated florets on the prepared baking sheet. Arrange them in a single layer, making sure they don't touch. This will help them cook evenly and get crispy all around. 5. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway through until golden brown and crispy. Keep an eye on them to make sure they don't burn. The flipping ensures they cook evenly on all sides. 6. Once they're done baking, toss the baked cauliflower wings in your favorite sauce. Make sure they're well coated and serve immediately. Enjoy your delicious, crispy cauliflower wings as a snack, appetizer, or even a main dish. Happy cooking! Section 5. Cauliflower Power, a nutritional powerhouse. Cauliflower, often overlooked in the vegetable aisle, is truly a gem when it comes to nutrition and versatility in the kitchen. Beyond their deliciousness, cauliflower wings offer a wealth of health benefits. These tasty treats are not just a great alternative to traditional wings, but they also pack a punch when it comes to nutritional value. Whether you're a vegetarian, vegan, or simply looking to add more vegetables to your diet, cauliflower wings are a fantastic choice. Cauliflower is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It contains a variety of essential nutrients that contribute to overall health and well-being. From vitamin C to vitamin K, and even some B vitamins, cauliflower has it all. It's an excellent source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that boosts immunity and protects against cell damage. Vitamin C is crucial for the growth and repair of tissues in all parts of your body, and it helps the body absorb iron from plant-based foods. Cauliflower is also a good source of vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and bone health. Vitamin K plays a key role in helping the body heal wounds and maintain strong bones, making it an important nutrient for overall health. This cruciferous vegetable is also a good source of fiber, which is important for digestive health and can aid in weight management. Fiber helps to keep the digestive system running smoothly, prevents constipation, and can help you feel full longer, which is beneficial for those looking to maintain or lose weight. Incorporating cauliflower into your meals can be a simple and delicious way to boost your nutrient intake and support a healthy lifestyle. Section 6. Guilt-free snacking. Indulge without compromise. Are you trying to eat healthier but still crave delicious snacks? It's a common dilemma many of us face. We want to enjoy our food without feeling guilty or compromising our health goals. Cauliflower wings are the perfect solution. They offer the same satisfying crunch and flavor as traditional wings, but without the excess calories and unhealthy fats. These guilt-free bites are naturally low in calories and fat, making them a healthy alternative to traditional fried snacks. Whether you bake or air fry them, you can enjoy a delicious treat that aligns with your dietary goals. The high fiber content in cauliflower can also help you feel fuller for longer, preventing overeating and aiding in weight management. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Indulge in a plate of crispy cauliflower wings without the guilt and enjoy a satisfying snack that nourishes your body. These wings are not only tasty, but also packed with nutrients like vitamins C and K, which support your immune system and bone health. Share them with friends and family at your next gathering, and watch as everyone enjoys a delicious, guilt-free snack. Cauliflower wings are versatile and can be paired with your favorite dips and sauces, making them a hit at any event. Section 7. Beyond vegan cauliflower wings for everyone. You don't have to be vegan to enjoy the deliciousness of cauliflower wings. These versatile bites are a crowd pleaser for everyone. Whether you're a vegetarian, a meat lover, or simply looking for healthier snack options, cauliflower wings are a delicious and satisfying choice. Their incredible flavor and crispy texture will win over even the pickiest eaters. So gather your friends and family and introduce them to the wonderful world of cauliflower wings. Section 8. Sharing is caring. Spread the cauliflower love. Once you've experienced the joy of crispy cauliflower wings, you'll want to share them with everyone you know. Serve them at your next gathering, potluck, or game day party. These bite-sized snacks are perfect for sharing and are sure to be a hit with both kids and adults alike. Be prepared to share the recipe because everyone will be asking for it. Section 9. Final thoughts. Embrace the delicious crunch. Crispy, flavorful, and incredibly versatile, cauliflower wings are more than just a snack. They're a culinary adventure waiting to be explored. Embrace the deliciousness of this healthy alternative and discover a world of flavor possibilities. So ditch the guilt, grab some cauliflower, and get ready to experience the best vegan snack ever. Subscribe to The Green Channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.